Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and come here, man. He ran over here. Jack, welcome back to our channel. Jack just got a bath. He's still kind of grumpy from it. He doesn't like bath time at all, do you, bud? Today we're going to be doing a cleaning and decorating video for Easter. And I cannot believe that it is Easter already, or I mean, it's not Easter, because it just feels so weird decorating for Easter because it's still winter time and Valentine's Day was this week and it just feels so early to decorate, and I'm just not ready for spring and the allergies. I'm just constantly congested and just have allergies and all of it, but spring is so bad for that. But the weather is pretty. I do love spring weather, but I hate summer and I know it's coming. I do have some new Easter decorations this year and I'm trying to figure out which ones I want to use this year. I limit myself to 1 tub per holiday, except for Christmas, of course, which that may change because I do have a ton of storage room, and why not, Let's just add decorations, and I like to alternate them out, every year because it feels like I decorate every 10 minutes for the next holiday, and it's like, I feel like I was just decorating for Easter, and here I am wearing a winter beanie and polar bear jacket, and it's still winter. But I want to decorate because I'm not going to decorate for St. Patrick's Day because Easter is in March this year. It's gonna kind of be a light cleaning video. I'm just doing stuff that I need to do, and this one right here keeps me pretty busy, don't you, bud? My robot vacuum decided to quit, so it no longer works. It worked a few months ago. We had to replace the battery, and then a month later it just quit. So I don't know. Now I have an amazing cordless vacuum. I love it. My husband got it for me for Christmas, so I'm gonna be using that today. I've been using it all throughout the house though, and I do love it. I might be cleaning my floors too because there's more construction going on in my house, more renovation stuff, which is great, but not for cleaning. So yes, I will quit rambling and we will go ahead and get started. Here is my Easter tote. I've had this sign a while, but these are new. I've been wanting some garland. And then I got this new table runner with all these crosses on it. It's very pretty. And I also have some more Easter bunnies. I got this one at Goodwill. And then I found this bunny at Goodwill. And this one too. So I don't know, I may not use all these, but I'm just gonna go through it and see, because I'm tired of using the same decorations every year.